We're going to take you through Moxie Property Group's newest listing out here in unincorporated Conifer, Colorado. The address is, hit 'em with it, Kyle.
12393 Bearden Lane.
And I really like this property. I think you guys are going to like the flat, usable acreage. We got nice mountain views heading to the west, and the access to this property is insane. So let's take a look.
Pellet stove on the right here. Once you make it past your kitchen, this is where it really opens up. Cozy on up by your fireplace. Real wood burning fireplace, by the way. It's your own little mountain cabin.
And the difference between I-70 and 285, which is the lesser traveled corridor to the mountains, is you don't have the ski slopes, but you have all kinds of off-roading. This is the road that people go down to see the leaves changing color. You have Staunton State Park just up the road, which I hear they have moose over there. I haven't seen one yet. And then if you go Pine Valley Road, all kinds of mountain biking. So if you love outdoor activities and you want a quick road to get there, this is definitely the spot.